What's the meaning of cheesy? Cheesy. Cheesy.
Cheesy. Cheesy. Cheesy is an adjective used to describe something that is overly sentimental, corny, or lacking in originality. This term commonly refers to music, movies, or other forms of entertainment that rely on cliches or cheap tricks to elicit emotions from their audience. Cheesy things can also be considered tacky, tasteless, or pretentious. Overall, the term cheesy implies a lack of authenticity and creativity, often leading to a feeling of discomfort or ridicule among those who experience it.